And a happy new year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all for we all like figgy pudding, so bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some, so bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The walls transform into pages, and each page unveils a world of wonder, joy, and enchantment. Tonight, let us turn the book of imagination together and step into a realm of magic, colors, and endless possibilities. This is a tale of wonder and grandeur, a magical storybook only Rancho can tell, and it begins now.
lights and it's strange. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, truly be it how we feel it in. Know it's a right, the hand.